You are going to remove all your clothes.
Omukolo ogu gwayitabibwamu abantu bengi abacheberwa okureba emibiri yabo n'amagara okugemerire otireho okubabuuza ebibuuzo by'okugarukamu kandi hamwe n'ebihandiikirwe.
For the recruitment of the probation police constables, and today we are doing Fort Portal, and Fort Portal City we have 4 divisions, East, North, Central and Kabarole, and we had 74 shortlisted, and we can proudly say 73 have come, all of them, and they have gone through the physical fitness exercise. We've done medical with them here, orals, and we shall end up with the aptitude or writing an exam.
Okurugerwa Vincent Twesige ogunumugambirizi wa polisi ya Rwenzori West yashobora ngu abayitabo mukoro ogu barwo muri East Division, Central Division, Northern Division, Fort Portal City hamwe na district ya Kabarore abakyala 30 n'abashaija 43.
Samba 30 bakyala bawala abakyala ana 3 balenzi abavubuka ngira bazze bayise mitendera. Waliwo omutendera gwe tuyita ogw'okudduka oba physical exercise gwawedde, waliwo gye tuyita medical check up oba okulaba obulamu bw'abantu nga tukebera ebintu bingi okuva ku mubiri, pressure, sukaali, siriimu, oba olina enkovu ennene oba olina embuto.
Twesige yashobora ngu okweyongera kw'omubaro gw'abantu abayoleka okwegaita ahihe lya polisi abarimu abakyala n'abashaija nikyoreka ku abantu behireyo okukora omurimo ogwo kandi na munonga abakyala.
Ladies, and they have 43 who are men or males, and this is a good number for the ladies. You know, the public service talks about 30%, and for us here we are even above 30%. We already have 30 participants who are male who have come for interviews today.
Yagaruka yashoborera ahari abo abayija okwehandikisa. SP Twesige Vincent omugambirizi wa polisi ya Rwenzori West yahamusiriza omugasho gwo kuba emicwe hamwe n'obujunaanizibwa. Yarabura abo abayija kwegaita aha mukoro ogwo okurekeraho emicwe mibi hamwe n'emize nk'okugira enshonga z'ebyombonano bateekuumire ekyari kugira ngu nkibasa kubareetera okukwatwa endwara ezirikuraba omu bushambani ninga abakyala okutwara endaaro ekiri kwija kubareetera okubingwa aho naaho okuruga omwihe.
Tubasaba nti nno bwe bagenda basigale nga bali nga beerabirira obutanywa omwenge omungi, obuteegatta okufuna embuto ng'abawala obutafuna mbuto, abalinzi obutafuna siriimu oba hepatitis B, kubanga amanya baganaakoma agasembayo gye tuta shortlist esembayo. Bwe tunagenda amasomero gaffe gye trainingira tujja kuddamu era okuba gye tuyita medical check up oba okubakebera.
Now, how can we recruit you when you are a thief? So you have scars you can't explain, we shall know that there are question marks on you.
Ab'ebyobushobozi bahamya ngu abo abarara bemo nibija kweyongeraho ahidara erindi ery'okutendekwa okushwijumwa kukora hendere. Gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki ahabwa Tayari West omuri Fort Portal.